Hey guys, how's it going? Assad here, and you're gonna learn about another reflect method. Is extensible or not? So, as you know, is extensible is a method to check a object is that gonna take properties anymore or not. So, similar to that, it has some differences. Like the reflect has some differences. So yeah, now what we're gonna do is just give you an example so you can understand. That's why you came, right? So now, const object, create an empty object. After that, we're gonna log it on a console, use the reflect object, and is extensible, and pass the object. When we're done with that, it's gonna say true, because it has the ability to take that. So after that, what we're gonna do is use the reflect dot prevent extensions and pass the object. So yeah, those who don't know what this it does is, if you use this this method, it not gonna take properties of that object anymore. So this is what it does. So when we do that and cut and paste, it's gonna say false because it doesn't have the ability to do that. So this is what it does. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.